Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We took out a decent sized planting hole for this gorgeous grass, ornamental grass called CAREX EVERILLO. And CAREX EVERILLO holds its foliage right through the year. We've planted already 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. And we're just edging a bed. We've planted some gorgeous Michaelmas daisies, and that's cornflower as well at the back, perennial cornflower, really tough and hardy. So we have a number of perennials at the back in this area, some black-eyed Susan, some Echinopsis as well. And this is just going to create a nice edge that will look well right through the year. So we've dug out a decent sized planting hole for CAREX EVERILLO. We're putting some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, mixing that in there with our spark. And we have a little bit of swell well compost and soil for underneath that Super Thrive, and some for back in around the CAREX. So out it comes out of his pot, and roots are fine, they're not too well jammed, so we just pull a nice bit of compost and soil back in around them, and we're using swell well compost and soil back in around. So just make a lovely little edge up along, and it'll look well for 12 months of the year. So that's CAREX EVERILLO. Height is going to be roughly around thereabouts 40 centimeters, and will spread around the same. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.